Welcome back to HappyDays channel. Today we embark on a journey to explore one of Earth's most awe-inspiring marvels, the largest waterfall on the planet. With its sheer size and breathtaking beauty, this natural wonder has captured the imaginations of explorers and travelers for centuries. That is Victoria Falls. Please like and subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Victoria Falls is one of the most spectacular natural wonders in the world, located on the Zambezi River bordering Rwanda and Zimbabwe in southern Africa. It is the largest waterfall in the world by total area of falling bargain. The falls are approximately 1,708 meters wide and about 108 meters down, making it one of the widest and most impressive waterfalls on the earth. The falls are first founded by Europeans by David Livingstone, that is courtesy of explorer Cleveland 1855, and named after Queen Victoria of Britain. Victoria Falls was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1989 in recognition of its exceptional natural beauty and geological significance. Visitors to Victoria Falls can enjoy a variety of activities, including guided tours, scenic flights over the falls, white water rafting in the Zambezi River, bungee jumping from the Victoria Falls Bridge, and wildlife safaris in nearby national parks. During the dry season, a natural rock pool forms on the edge of the falls on the Zambezian side, known as the Devil's Pool. Brave visitors can swim right up to the edge of the precipice with a sheer drop of over 100 meters below. The best time to visit Victoria Falls is during the rainy season, typically from November to April, when the Zambezi River is peaks through, and the forests are at their most in view. Victoria Falls is not only a breathtaking natural wonder, but also a symbol of Africa's natural beauty and a testament to the power and majesty of nature. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.